Tradingview is a web-based platform designed for financial market analysis and trading, catering to both novice and experienced traders. It offers advanced charting tools, real-time data, and a vibrant community for sharing trading ideas and strategies. Users can analyze various assets, including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies, utilizing customizable charts and a wide range of technical indicators. The platform features an intuitive interface that allows for easy navigation and in-depth analysis, making it accessible for traders of all skill levels. Users can create and save personalized chart layouts, apply indicators, and utilize drawing tools to mark significant price levels and trends. The social aspect of Tradingview fosters collaboration, enabling users to follow other traders, share insights, and engage in discussions, enriching the trading experience. Additionally, Tradingview provides access to economic calendars and news feeds, ensuring that traders stay informed about market events. Its mobile app allows for trading on the go, making it a comprehensive solution for modern traders looking to enhance their market strategies and decision-making processes.